Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Thryss. If you are new, welcome. I hope you will subscribe. If you are returning Stitchy, welcome back. This is Little Advent, and if you wouldn't mind, leave a thumbie and a comment, even if it's just an emoji. It helps the channel out. Okay, so Advent for the 18th are these two. The top one is like a brick red with a light sage and cream with a little bit of a bluish gray. And then the other one is mostly cream with a little bit of brick and a little bit of sage. Okay, we're going to go to Big Advent. Okay, Advent. All right.
I wonder what it is.
Oh my gosh, I knew you weren't there anymore, but I didn't know where you were. It scared me.
What is it? Oh yeah. I got you a colorway that I think would look really nice in a shawl. This is a shawl.
Okay, so this is Loops and Threads Facets. It is not the sparkly. It is 279 yards of an acrylic. This is in color 12.
Is that what it's name?
Summer Sunrise.
Okay.
Just 100% acrylic. Okay, so it's got greens, purples, gold. Yeah, greens, purples, gold.
I don't think you would ever pick this one, and that's why I got it, because I think it would look pretty, and I think that it would force you to use colors that you don't normally use.
Okay, so there are 3, 4, 5. And then, ooh, it's very cute. Is that a pen or a pencil?
Pen.
Oh, okay, good. I was worried it was a pencil. And then a Stitch pen. He's so cute. He's gonna go right there. Oh my god, I almost can't stuff anything else in there. So, Advent. So, Gizmo says hello. Well, actually, he doesn't because he's sleeping. But I thought I'd show you guys. This is how Gizmo sleeps. Often, if he's not in my lap, then this is where he is when he sleeps. It's always one of those two. Laying on the stair over me, hanging off of it, snoozing away. He's not snoring right now, but normally he's snoring. I thought I'd share. Okay, you guys are at a different place right now because Sir Patrick has absconded with my phone stand that I use to record my videos and took off upstairs where I cannot follow him because I am a broken human and can't do stairs. So we are here, and I thought I would tell you guys a story time in some of these Advent videos. Let's see, where does that stitch go? This is Crystal from Bag O Day. This is her, I don't remember the name of the pattern. Oh, where did the other one go? There it is. It's a cocoon. I am still trying to find, this is out of the Rainbow Picasso, which by the way is in stock right now. There's 2 of them in stock. One ends in a 6, and that is the one that is the good one, like that one. The other one I don't think is as pretty. And then this is that Loops and Threads Facet Sparkle that Andrew got me for one of the Advent. I think it was the most recent one, yesterday's. Anyway, I'm making 2. So I don't remember what I was saying before I went off on this. Anyway, so I thought I would do some story times, and this one is about it is a Christmas story time. I had done a, you guys just hang out with me. So, sorry, I had to end a phone call that I come in. So I had asked my members what kind of story times they'd like to see. And funny and embarrassing was the top vote. And somebody in the comments section, and I can't remember who, and I'm very sorry. I think it was Gems by Anastasia, but if I'm wrong, I apologize. Somebody had said to do a Christmas story. I don't really have many Christmas stories because I didn't grow up having Christmas, but there's one standout Christmas story for sure, and I thought I'd share that with you guys. Now, I have shared it already. It was on a live recently when Andrew and I was making gingerbread houses, but a lot of you don't watch the lives, and so I thought I would go ahead and share it here too. So it is actually my engagement story as well. Okay, so if you've been following the Advent, let's see, where does this stitch go? Okay, then you guys know, Andrew, I have talked about it, that he likes to kind of troll you with gift giving. In the sense that, like, you'll get one, you know, quote unquote good gift, which, you know, they're all good, but you'll get the main gift, the main course, if you will, and he will give you a bunch of little gifts leading up to that that are kind of like gag gifts, to kind of make the big gift better, I guess. So I don't remember all the gifts that he had given me this year. I remember there was like a bar of soap. I think there was a food item. It was almost like he just went through the house. In fact, I think he did just go through the house. And he grabbed stuff up and wrapped them. So by the time we get to toothpaste, I was like, what is going on? Because I didn't, I mean, this was early on in our relationship. I didn't catch on that this was like a trend for him. I didn't realize he didn't really do this the first, you know, couple of years. So this was honestly kind of a new thing. And so I'm just like, what is going on? Like, why is he giving me soap and bananas? And I don't think there was bananas, but like, why is he, like, I didn't want to seem ungrateful, but my feelings were a little hurt. I was a little baffled. And so, but I didn't want to be hurtful or seem ungrateful. So I, you know, was smiling through it. But honestly, by the time we got to the toothpaste, I wanted to cry. So the toothpaste comes and I'm just like, thank you. This is, you know, I'll definitely be able to use it. And he says, okay, there's one more. And honestly, in my head, on my face I was smiling, but in my head I was like, I'm gonna cry. I don't know how much longer I can, you know, kind of like kind of fake it. And so Andrew loves nutcrackers. I love snowmen. So he bought me this like 18-inch wooden snowman nutcracker. He is so cute. I still have him. Super cute. And he was even dressed in blue attire, which I love snowmen in blue stuff, like blue scarves, hats, stuff like that. It is totally my jam. So here's this blue snowman nutcracker. And I'm just, oh my gosh, he's so adorable. And so, you know, I tell him thank you. He's so cute, everything like that. And I don't remember how, but he let me know that the snowman was holding a bag, and because I couldn't see it. So the snowman's holding this little burlap cinch sack. And so, hi buddy, come here. Oh my goodness. So I open this little burlap cinch sack, and I reach in there and I pull out a ring, and I'm looking, and I'm like, oh my gosh. And I look up, and he is, on one knee and says very sweet things and asks me to marry him. So that was our engagement story, which was super cute, and made the toothpaste and bars of soap and bananas and whatever else there was worth it. But yeah, it was really cute. I still have that snowman. Gizmo says hi. I have a couple of other stories for sure I'm going to tell you guys. Tomorrow's is going to be one where I was a kid, but I was so, I felt so bad. I buckled to peer pressure and hurt somebody's feelings, and I'm just going to leave it at that. And I felt so bad, but I learned a good life lesson out of it. And later in life, I said something to that person about it, about how I think about it all the time and always feel so guilty. They didn't even remember it happened. So I had been holding on to this thing for so long, and they didn't even remember. But I will tell that story and some other ones coming up. But Gizmo and I say goodbye, and we love you. We loved him. We do love him. He's such a good boy. Kobe's right here, snoozing. Kisses down here, snoozing. Dear hello. Dear hello, Stitchy Poos. Dear Papa, I love you. Okay, bye guys.